I'll get a lead in. It may be on the weekend. It may be, right after dinner. It could be later.
Mm-hmm.
But I try not to be on my phone at time at home so the wife doesn't get too mad.
Yep.
So what I'll do, I'll just say, hey, this is Tanner from Central States. I'll get a hold of you tomorrow morning, first thing. Does that work for you? And that's it.
Love it.
Usually get a response back.
Yeah.
So that way I'm in touch with them within 5 minutes of getting the lead, and I'm not letting it sit until the next day.
I love that. Can I add one little piece in there for you?
Yes, please.
I want you to add the words, I wanted to reach out to you personally. It's amazing when we say I wanted to reach out to you personally, how it defuses all of that salesperson stuff. And now it's like, wow, T really cares about me, right? This guy really cares about me. Versus, hey, I wanted to sell you something. Hey, I understand it's late.
Right.
I did see the lead come in. I wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information. And I don't even, now another thing, if we're leaving a voicemail like that, and this is up to you, but I'm not a big fan of you saying when you're going to call them next, because you don't have to ask for permission. So again, that's
Go ahead. A text message.
Perfect. So let's not even say, I'll reach out to you, blank, because then that's all that's going to do. You're setting that rule, and now all they're going to do is not reach back out to you, right? And again, you don't have to take their call if they call you. It's evening time, you're with your family. So I would just leave a simple text of, hey, I saw your lead came in. I wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information, and this is my mobile phone number. And then on Monday, call them back on Monday. But because who knows, there may be a time, and please, I get it. I have one myself, right? A wife. I have some myself, kids. They're more important to you than this, and they should be. Okay, so don't be missing out on a kid's recital. Don't be missing out on quality time with your spouse. But at the same time, if ain't nothing happening, it's okay for you to step out in the backyard and throw a text. Now, if you're right in the middle of your kid's hockey practice and they call back and it's not a good time, you don't have to answer. Again, let's give ourselves more freedom. Let's stop putting these rules on ourselves. That was a great one. Thank you. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.